How to draw the Arizona Cardinals logo. We are going to start by drawing a sideways V shape that's slanted a little bit, that curves at the ends. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now from the bottom of that, we are going to draw a diagonal line that goes to the left and up a little bit. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now from the top of the V shape, we are going to draw a long, slightly curved line that goes up and to the left as well. Looks great! Going downward from that, we are going to draw some of the feathers. There will be 1, 2, 3 right there, and then the last one right here. To draw each feather, we are going to draw a curved line going down and then a straight small line going to the left. I will pause in between each feather so you could see. Now we will draw the second feather. Awesome, now let's draw the third one. And finally, the last feather, we will draw a long curved line connecting to the bottom outline. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Our drawings look awesome! Now we are going to draw the eye of the cardinal right here, starting by drawing a half circle. From either side of the half circle, we are going to draw a line going inwards towards the middle, but they will not touch. The one on the left side will be longer than the one on the right, looking just like this. Then from the line on the left side, we are going to draw a diagonal line going downwards. Then we are going to draw a curved line connecting this to the line on the right side of the eye. And that will be the final step of drawing our cardinal's eye. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're going to draw the beak next. For this, we are going to draw 2 triangle shapes that will go below the eye, right here and here. Great job! Now we are going to draw the top triangle for the top of the beak. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now the final step will be to outline our cardinal. We will start by drawing a diagonal line on the bottom of our cardinal right here, and then we will draw the rest of the outline from there. From that line, we are going to draw a curved line going upwards to the right of the beak. Then we are going to draw a curved line outlining the top part of the beak. And then finally, we are going to draw a line going right here that goes around the top of the head and outlines each one of the feathers, connecting to the bottom part of the outline. This is how to draw the Arizona Cardinals logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. And if you want to watch more step-by-step drawing tutorials of logos in particular, make sure to check out our logos playlist. And lastly, comment down below anything that you would like us to draw next. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew.
Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.